Peace on command. A silent, sparkling world.
A couple are driving drunkenly through the streets of New York, and it's one of those up-and-coming neighbourhoods. In other words, a complete shithole. They make love in their apartment in front of the kitchen. Unknown to them, however, the refrigerator is actually a killer fridge.
When you buy an Ariston, its guarantee is 5 years long.
When the wife enters the kitchen, the door opens and she is sucked in. Sometime later, another couple move into the apartment, unaware of the refrigerator. They start to have nightmares. There are some strange images, and Steve, the husband, sees tiny people in the fridge.
Little people and we'll always be friends.
The fridge seems to be possessing Steve, turning him into a complete psycho. Before long, however, a plumber arrives on the scene, who seems to have arrived straight from a dodgy S&M club. He warns Steve's wife Eileen that the refrigerator is actually the doorway to hell and the devil is in control of it. Well, come on, hell is hot, isn't it? You need somewhere to keep the lager. Yeah, alright, this film goes on a bit, it could have done with being shorter. But what make it entertaining are its knockabout sense of humour, its larger-than-life characters. Just about everyone in this seems to have some kind of issue or other. In Eileen's case, it's her mother from hell, mummy dearest. And it's worth watching just for the final sequence. A lot of kitchen appliances come to life and go completely nutty.
Ariston, and on, and on, and on.